In this video lecture, we will be looking at switch statement. We've looked at if statement, if-else statement, if-else statement, or else-if statement, whatever you call it. Now we have another type of decision-making statement in Java programming. And this is really very interesting. In fact, this is my best. This is what I use most times if I'm programming, because it makes the work to lots and lots of easy. You consider a case whereby you have to check out the grades of a student. You have thousands of students, and you'll be checking out who made an A, who made a B, C, D, E, or F, or any other type of scenario whereby you want to use this as a Java developer. Switch statement is the best way to do this. When a student enters his or her mark, it returns the student, you made an A, this is excellent. You made a B, this is very good. You made a C, this is good. You made a B, you passed. You made an E, wake up. You made an F, you failed. So, this is a case that is very interesting in Java programming because most developers use this always. If a switch statement makes your code to be very clean and very neat. How do we use switch statement and what are they doing? First of all, you go to create a variable of whatever you want to check out. It can be integer variable, it can be a float. The variable type can be character, it can be integer, it can be float or anything. So the data type, who's going to use it. So create a variable first, and then you choose a data type you want to use. But for this case, the data type we're going to use is a character type, whereby you are using char. And we are going to check just a character. Is either you put a B, an A, C, D, E, or F. Now, where you've chosen the variable and data type you want to check out, maybe it's an integer, you want someone to put either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So in a case where that is met, something should be done. So here we'll be checking if a student gets a character of A, B, C, D, E, or F. So when the character you put in is an A, the system go ahead and print out this is excellent. And once it prints out this is excellent, it will go ahead and use another system.out.println and give you your grade, either A, B, C, D, E, or F, depending on what you put. So when a student puts a B, the system go ahead and print out very good. And when you put C, it goes ahead and print out good. When you put D, it goes ahead and print out pass. When you put an E, it goes ahead and say wake up. And when you put an F, it goes ahead and print out failed. Now, all this will not be executed at the same time. When you put a grade A, it will check if this an A. If it's not, it breaks out. And go to B and breaks out. So whenever you see a break enables a switch statement to be able to cut off from that region where it is and go back to check out another region, because this code is being executed line by line. And this is done just in a twinkle in a microsecond. So we use break in all our switch statements in order to break out from a region where we are to move over to check for another. And until we meet it, if we don't meet it, the last one is going to be a default. It's going to tell you that we have searched everything, but we never get this particular stuff you are looking for. So, in this our own, we said this is invalid grid. Let's go ahead and check it out. We have correct that grid here is A. Let's change this A to E. And go ahead and compile. It says wake up, your grade is E. You can see that wake up, your grade is E. And go ahead and remove this and put an F. Go ahead and compile again. It said failed, your grade is F. You can see that. What if you go ahead and put an A and you come back here and refresh, you say excellent, your grade is A. I hope you can see that. It is just very easy and straightforward. So this is one interesting part of using if switch statements in Java programming. And you can see that the code is just looking good. I can go ahead and keep checking many things, and each one I check, I break out and go back to the next one until I don't get what I see, I put a default. So it is a must that you use a default so that you can be able to tell the user this is, that is, or we didn't meet the option, or you should try get letter. So I believe you really understood how a switch statement works. Because you can't just keep using else if, else if, else if, else if, always. So you can see that this code is just very simple and it is straightforward, and you have lots of things that you can be able to do at a time, and that is very interesting. So this is all about switch statements, and if you have any question on this particular lecture, please go ahead and use the question and answer sections, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.